That is ready. Yeah. Look at that. Just getting all those things clean off after having I've washed them. And I'm about to cook pasta with our leftover fish sauce. You guys know the fish we cooked the other day, so I'm about to use that to create another recipe. But actually, I have a question for you. For this fish recipe, pasta recipe with the spinach, what do you think I should add to it? Should I add fish or should I add I know you are hearing me, but just want to say you're not hearing me. Guys, I was trying to try his. It's fine. Okay. He's literally playing music on his earpod. We cooking pasta with the spinach sauce that was left.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking if I should use shrimps. Yeah, Aria. I'm coming. I'm thinking if I should use shrimps or if I should use fish because I still have some fish left over and I have some big shrimps left over. So what do you think?
With shrimps.
Let me show you. So
What's
the way yeah, this one. This one is big shrimps or prompts.
I thought you mean I thought that shrimp means champion.
Champion. No, 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 not champions. Yeah, so
Yes, you can. Yes.
this one?
Yes.
This right here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Kicking is about to start. Black pepper, ginger, garlic, sorry, that is garlic. That's okay. Adding cold water on it to stop it from cooking. Paprika. Garlic. Black pepper. Salt. So here's the leftover. We even have a potato leftover, but nobody have eaten it. For those of you that are saying, she cooks so less, she cooks so less. Leave me alone. I cook and waste food. Look, I have too much leftover in my fridge. From the goulash, I still have leftover from the goulash in my fridge. She cooks so less, but I have all of them in my fridge. From New Year Day, I still have this red coat on my fridge. It's ready to throw away. Nobody ate it. Look at that. Now we're gonna add our cheese on top. Just cook down. That's half of the one that I have left. I'm gonna be doing mixed cheese. We have cheddar cheese and mozzarella. Look at that. We're covered. Back in the oven. That is ready. Yeah. Look at that. Food training is also ready. Let's go and serve the kids.